Hi everybody, lesson 5. This is on page 19 in your Succeed book. This is the homework helper page that's just going to kind of set us up. So this is what we were working on in class today. Yesterday we were making 10. 10 is a friendly number, but all of the 10s are friendly numbers. So today we are expanding that to larger numbers. So instead of taking 3 apart to make 9 into 10, we're going to take 3 apart to turn 19 into 20. All right? Same idea. 20 is an easier number to add with than 19. So we're still looking for friendly numbers. And we're going to be looking for which number is closer to the next 10, whatever that is. So let's go ahead and get started. Turning the page to page 21. They're reminding us, starting off easy, when I need to turn 9 into 10, I need to take 1 out of this other number, right? So we decompose the 3. We're going to add that 1 to the 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then we've got this 2 left, right? We need to just bring that down. So I have 10 plus 2. Much easier to add. 10 plus 2, 10, 2 is 12. And we'll finish off our equation. 9 plus 3 is 12. Now, we're going to use that over here. So now instead of 9, I've got 29. But that still means that this 9 needs 1 more to get to the next 10. So I'm going to decompose my 5, take 1 out. If I take 1 out of 5, I have 4 left. And I'm going to put those together. 29 and 1 is going to go to that next 10, 30. 29 plus 1 equals 30. And I still have this 4. Now the 4 needs to come down, and it's going to be 30 plus 4 equals. Now this is the same thing as when I'm adding with 10. That 4 is just going to slide into the 0 into the 1's place. So 30 plus 4 is 34. And I'm going to bring that up and add it to my equation. If 29 plus 5, if 30 plus 4 is 34, then 29 plus 5 is 34. All right? Stick with me a few more, and then you can try it on your own. We have 9 again. I'm going to be able to make the next 10, but I need 1 more. I can take that 1 out of the 7, leaving me with 6. Combining those two, 49, what's the next number? 1 more is 50. So 49 plus 1 equals 50. And I'm going to bring that 6 down. 50 plus 6. That 6 is just going to slide right into the 1's place. And I have 56. Adding that up to my equation, 49 plus 7 equals 56. Feeling more comfortable? See if you can do this one on your own. Go ahead and pause the video. Figure out which number is close to a 10. I'm going to take 1 out of my 6 to add here. 59 plus 1 more is going to take me to that next 10 of 60, and then I need to bring my 5 down. 60 plus 5. 65. Is that what you got? Are you feeling more comfortable? Let's keep going. They've switched it up a little bit here. Now we have an 8, but it's the same idea, you guys. 18 is close to the next 10. The next 10 is 20. I need 2 more to get 8 to the next 10. So I'm going to take 2 out of 4, which leaves me with 2. Add this part first. 18 plus 2 is 20. And then bring down that 2. Got to add in that leftover part. 20 plus 2 equals, just going to slide into that ones place, 22. Finish off my equation. 18 plus 4 equals 22. See if you can do this one on your own. Go ahead and pause and push play when you have finished. So I'm going to decompose my 6 to get 48 to a friendlier number. I need 2 for my 8 to make it to the next 10. If I take 2 out of 6, I have 4 left. Let's put those together. So I have 48 plus 2. 48, 49, 50 is my next 10. Now I'm just going to bring that 4 down. 50 plus 4 equals 54. Finish off the equation, pull it up here. Is that what you guys got when you tried it on your own? If you haven't tried it on your own yet, try it now. We got 2 more on this page. Don't be afraid. Even if you make a mistake, the worst thing that happens is you might have to erase. Making mistakes, remember, is something we do a lot when we're learning something new. 58 plus 6. This is really close to the next 10, so I'm going to take 2 out of my 6 so that I can make that to the next 10. 2 out of my 6, that leaves 4. So 58 plus 2, that's going to take me to, that next 10 is 60. Just bring that 4 down now. 60 plus 4, slide it right into that ones place, and we have 64. 58 plus 6 is also 64. We just made it easier to add. Last one. So if you haven't paused and done it on your own yet, please do it on this one. Just give it a try. We're going to decompose that 8. Okay? Push play when you're finished and check your work. So I'm going to decompose that 8. I need to take 2 out to make this into the next 10. If I take 2 out of my 8, I have 6 left. So let's put that together. 78 plus 2, taking it up to the next 10. 78, 79, 80. Bring that 6 down. I have 80 plus leftover 6. It's going to slide right into that ones place, and I have 86. 86 plus 6 equals 86. So 78 plus 8 also equals 86. How'd you do? Even if you got it wrong, look and see, where did you make the mistake? Did you make the mistake in how many you thought were left over when you were decomposing? Did you count wrong, or did you leave out a step? Figure out where you made the mistake so next time you won't. If you need to pause and catch up, go ahead. I'm going to turn the page. So we're on the top of page 22. Same thing, only here now we're working with a 7. 7 is still pretty close to 10, or in this case, the next 10, up from 67. That's going to take us to 70. How many do I need to add to that 7? 3. So let's take 3 out of the 5 for that, and that's going to leave us with 2. So starting there, we have 67 plus 3, 68, 69, 70. Bringing that 2 down, we add it back in. Now we have 70 plus 2. Just slide it into that one spot, 72. So 67 plus 5 also equals 72. All right, same sort of thing. Go ahead and pause. Try it on your own. push play when you're ready to check your answer. So I'm again working with a 7. This time I'm adding 6. So I'm going to decompose my 6. I need 3 to get this to the next 10. If I've taken 3 out of 6, I have 3 left. So 87 plus 3 equals 88, 89, 90. And then I have 3 left over that I need to add in now. 90 plus 3 equals 93. 87 plus 6 equals 93. We just made it easier to add them together. Everybody feeling more confident? We should be. Even though it's in a different spot, which number is going to be closer to 10? The 6 or the 9 in that one's place? Still going to be the 9. We only need one more here to take it to the 10. So I'm going to take 1 out of 6. If I take 1 out of my 6, what's the other part? 5. Put those together. 59 plus 1. The next 10 is 60. And then I've got this 5 left over. So 60 plus 5 equals, slide it into the 1 space. There we've got 65. So 6 plus 59 also equals 65. Last one. Go ahead, try it on your own. Pause, push play when you're ready to check your answer. So here I have 78. I need 2 to get that to the next 10. If I take 2 out of my 7, how many do I have left? I have 5. Then put that together. 78 plus 2 equals 79, 80. And then I have 5 left over to add in, so I have 80 plus 5 equals, slide it into the 1 spot, 85. So 7 plus 78 also equals 85. How'd you do? All we have left is our word problem. Use the RDW. Read, draw, write. So let's start by reading and make sure we understand. There were 28 students at recess. A group of 7 students came outside to join them. How many students are there now? Okay, I'm going to try to picture this in my head. There were 28 students at recess. A group of 7 students came outside to join them. How many students are there now? All right, so let's go ahead and draw that. What we're doing is we're saying how many altogether. So we started with 28 students. Can we draw that, please? Let's do quick tens. We have 2 10s, 10, 20, and then we have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boy, I'm almost out of room. And we're going to add in 7 more students. I am actually going to erase this. If you got yours too close to the top, you might want to erase yours too, because we want to have room to make the 10 in the drawing, right? So I'm going to bring it down a little bit, 10, 20, and then I'm going to make 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leaving a little space, 6, 7, 8. Good. So now I have my 28, and I can add in 7. I have 8 here, so 9 and 10. That's only 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many do we have? This with my 8 and 2 more, that is now a quick 10. So how many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. And these are my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I want to write an equation, but also a sentence down here at the bottom, a statement that tells my answer. So what I had here is 28 plus 7 more students that came out to join them. And I ended up with 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now, if I want to check my picture, I can go ahead and decompose like we were earlier today. I can take 2 out of that 7 because that's what I need to take that to the next 10. If I take 2 out of 7, I have 5 left. So we have 28 plus 2, 29, 30. And then I have that 5 left over, so we add that into the 30. 30 plus 5 equals 35. Does it match? Yeah, we did good. So we need to write our statement now that's answering the question, how many students are there now? We can use those words, right? The words in the question to answer. There are 35 students. Boys and girls, go ahead and pause if you need time to copy, especially the statement. And I hope you're proud of yourself. Thank you for working so hard. See you next time.